ABELI, and today we have another unboxing for you. I know we haven't done them in a while, but I'm excited. I've been needing a new keyboard for a little while now, so we ended up getting this MX Keys Mini. I'm going to try and not have the number keys, number pad next to it. It's going to be really hard because I'm very much used to it, so we're going to see if I like this or not. But anyway, so it has obviously the mini size. It can connect up to 3 different devices, which is really awesome. Considering we have a lot of different computers, it'll be nice to just hook the computer up to our monitors and then use the same keyboard up to 3 different devices. And it does say that it's easily switched between, so that's awesome. I also like the fact that this is a Bluetooth keyboard, so that way you can easily connect it. You don't have to worry about having cords everywhere. And I do believe that it's a USB-C charged. So it also works with Windows, Mac OS, iPad OS, iOS, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android. So basically all your needs. So let's go ahead and unbox. I really like the MX keyboards. It's actually what I had before. So at least I know that it works well with all of our computer stuff. Oh, I got this one. Just a nice, easy open. There's nothing else. So we'll put that over there. It does have some instructions on the top of like how to connect it and how to switch it, which is nice. It looks like it's still fairly simple and straightforward. In this little box, like I said, it's USB-C for charging, so this is a little charger. It doesn't have a charging brick though, so luckily we have a lot of those around the house. And then we have instructions and warranty type stuff, so paperwork. All right, so let's unwrap the actual keyboard. Into a card. So this does have a lighting behind the keys when it's on. So like if you're typing in like a lower light area, it will help be able to see the keys. It's hefty. Feels good. I feel like it's going to sit well. Has a nice key press on it. And I don't know if you can see, but actually the number 1, 2, and 3 keys are actually how you Bluetooth to the different devices. So you'll just have to hold down one of them when you're connecting, make sure the Bluetooth is on, and then you can assign it to 1, 2, or 3. So that's really nice. Yeah, this is very cool. So it does just have like an on-off switch, and then it has a little indicator for you. It'll turn red if it's dying. The green is for when it turns on. Yeah, it feels good. I'm excited to try it out, and I will let you guys know what I think. If you like this type of content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.